All right, guys, let's take a look at this real fast. This wreck was all my fault. Nobody else's fault. It was not any of my crew guys. It wasn't the track. It wasn't anybody. It was me. This was on me 100%. Love you, babe. Let's go, baby. All right, here we go. First round, locals only, 16 cars. We got to race our buddy, Benji. The first thing is my job as the driver, the way we race with our team, it's my job to make sure I'm pointed where I want to go. My lineup guys, they get me to the line, to the beams. I aim the car left or right. This car has a lot of bump steer. I've had a really hard time getting the bump steer worked out of this car. We have very long travel front struts. It's really, really good on no prep, but one of the problems is we struggle with the car when it's at ride height, they're towed in, and when it's at full extension going down the track, they're basically towed in 1/16 of an inch to straight up. We don't ever want it to tow out. So that's why in a lot of the videos, it looks like the wheel is turned to the left more than it actually is because it's towed in. Once the car comes up, it actually straightens the wheel. But I did. Normally this car the wheel is not perfectly straight. Usually my bump button is a little bit higher. So you notice right before I staged, I turned the wheel a little bit more to the right, trying to make it so that it was about where it normally is. But I had already stopped rolling, and that's one of the problems. What I probably should have done is back myself back up 3 or 4 feet and then rolled back forward again to get the wheel exactly where I wanted it. Something else, when this video posted from the crash, we were able to see from Randy's perspective over on the left-hand side, this thing actually dripped some fluid. Now, I have an aluminum fuel cell in this thing, and so this aluminum fuel cell, about a month or two ago, it was leaking on the seam. I had to take the fuel cell out, re-weld the seams up, and it was good, but it may be leaking again. So in the future, we're going to put plastic fuel cells in the front so that they don't have seams to leak. Car went to the left. I was able to drive the car out of it from where we were really close to the wall. Honestly, that probably could have been a crash right there, but I was able to manage the car, drive it, wheel it, get it back to the center of the track, overshot the center of the track a little bit, and at this point, Benji is gone. And so he is out there, and so in my head at that moment, I knew the track was kind of sketchy down there, so I said, okay, well, he may hit the tire, so I need to be coming on him. I knew I couldn't catch him if he made a full pass, and so that's why I got back on the gas. And when I did, boost come in strong, and it just turned left, and it turned left really hard, and I paid the consequences. It hurts bad when you hit that wall. So lesson to be learned. I knew that was a risky move down there, but if the race is lost, or if you don't think there's a real good chance you're going to win, or even if you think you're ahead and you're winning in the car, you don't think it's going to be controllable, then let off. Live to race another day. Instead, we got to rebuild the car and get going next time and recover and try to get better so we can not do that again. Appreciate it, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Oh.
We're good?
Yeah, I think so. I just knocked the breath out of me.
Huh?
I knocked the breath out of me.
You knocked the breath out of you? All right, you're good. Stay right here.
We're already down here with me. We're down here with me.
What is that?
Turn the power off.
That's off.
Kill the power on it.
That's off.
It's off.
I'm on my way down there with it. Where's it at?
Got it.
Forward. I know we got started line.
Neck's not hurting. It's just compressed on my shoulder.
That's good.
Oh, that's all right.
Let's lean them up on there. Let them look.
So just an update, we decided to come to the hospital just to make sure we were good. Clean bill of health, going to be really sore. Nothing broken, so that's a good thing. So we're in good shape. Appreciate it, guys. We'll see y'all soon.